work with that one. I'm gonna have to get big. Yeehaw! I am loosening these bolts up to put the spacers in. This dude is holding. See that right there tells you that I have a fire. Look. That's as low as that goes. Right there. Well, if we didn't have the Daystar cups, we'd have a lot of long.
Yeah, the play.
No. We would not be able to drop down as low. We would be limited because we're not going to be bolted down here with the Daystar cups. Look at the difference, and this is just a complete flex down. So we would be that much short if we hadn't have done the off-road cups. That's why we're having to put it together and then take it back apart because we have to drill new holes. Installed the bracket to hang it. Just temporarily, we've removed the lower base because we're putting in Daystar airbag cups. We're finishing, we're putting the bolts for the back side to hold that whole bracketry together. And then we'll put that bracket back in temporarily with the cup sitting on it to line it up to drill the one hole needed to mount the cup, which we'll have a picture and a little video here shortly. Bear with us. Our cups, sat our lower bracket just in there. Now we're going to temporarily bolt everything back up. snug her up. Alright, and see how it fits. Did it work? Well, it will work with little modifications. Let's flip the bolt over and try a different direction.
So we're gonna flip the bolt because
We're
it
hoping,
interferes.
if not, I'm going to have to modify the bump stop even more.
Where do you want me to put it?
Back of my hand.
What'd you do different?
Well, I flipped it over to see if it sits on here. But then we have a second issue. Alright, still gonna have to modify. Well, I don't know. Once it clamps down, it'll probably tighten it up, keep it loose. But
Make sure the clearance is on the bottom side.
if we had to flip the bolt, does it fit up in the? See, that's gonna work. Alright, we'll have to modify the bump stop more. What we want to do is not gonna work. Cut that out and give ourselves a round.
For that center bolt. This is only because we have the additional pump stop, so.
No, we have the off-road cups that allow the suspension not to be tied together.
We've cut out and notched out a section.
We have clearance. Flip it back around.
So you like that better?
Yeah, we just need to do a little bolt turn for fit. Always remember, test fit, test fit, test fit.
Ford versus Toyota.
Well, it's also good. Maybe a lot tighter. A lot more. Alright, Tommy, you're on jack duty. Backing it up. I'm gonna get with it. I got a lot. Go up and get the gas. Come on. Keep going up, so I'll tell you to slow down. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Closes me hand tightening bolts.
It is all finished. Everything is tightened up.
Now the passenger seat.
Yeah.
It's gonna be easy.
side. Here's the air compressor that runs the air pipes, and we close them up. And the instructions want us to put it underneath the passenger side, is that right? On the frame, and all your road debris and everything's gonna clog it up. So Tacomas have this nice little pocket that nobody seems to know what it's for. But anyways, it fits in there perfectly, so we're gonna put it in there instead. It keeps it out of the elements, so we'll see how this goes. This is where they're wanting, in this yellow area, this is where they're wanting us to put it. Psych, we're not going to. We do some off-grid stuff, so. Alright, so it came with what?
These to mount it.
Okay.
It's not a nut and bolt. Self-tapper screw. They're not known for their structural integrity over time. Vibration. An air compressor vibrates. A vehicle vibrates. So, as you can see, I pulled out every nut and bolt I have, and we're going to mount it on a box, a little storage compartment. But you may have to mount it on a frame or something, a bracketry or something underneath. But either way, you want a bolt. Nut bolt with a lock washer, or you need to use a lock nut, because they will vibrate, the vehicle vibrates, the road causes vibration. You need to make sure it's not going to fall off going down the road. So I'm off the load. Nut and bolt that'll fit that size, so I've got to go get one, so I'm off the load. Compressor, the manifold, if you'll slide down so you can look back in this corner, Rachel, you'll see the 3 bolts. It's mounted on the top side, on the back side, because there wasn't enough room for back. Alright, go ahead, up to 20. Turn it all the way back down to 5.